The charts created in MS Excel address various mathematical and statistical data visualization needs. These charts can be saved as images for use in other applications. Right-click the chart and select Copy. You can then paste it as a picture into other applications. Right-click the chart and choose Save as Picture. Choose the location to save the file. Choose Image Type. Finally click Save. The chart has been saved as an image on the specified location. Go to the File menu and click Save As. Click Browse to choose the save location. Type file name. In the Save As Type drop-down, choose Web Page. Finally, click Save. Now go to the save location. You will find images of all the charts created in the Excel sheet. Alternatively, you can use the Windows snipping tool or the screenshot tool to capture the chart image.